How to use CapCut templates in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can use CapCut templates on your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. After you open it up, navigate to the bottom of this interface, go to the templates. Now once you land on the templates tab, you can browse through various categories in this tab. If you cannot find your preferred template, then using the search bar at the top, you can search for your specific templates by the keywords. But if you already have it here, select one from here. So once you have selected your template, what you have to do is tap on Use Template at the bottom right corner. Then you'll be prompted to use your own media. So from this interface, select your video that you want to add in the timeline or the templates. Here I have a few videos that I want to add. Once you're done selecting your video, tap on Next. Now after adding your media, you can further customize the video. If you want to add different audio, then you could also do that. Tap on this audio here and then select your preferred audio. And if you want to edit this video, tap on this video right here and then you could replace this video. You could crop, you could adjust the volume, and you could also add the filters. So from here you can edit your media further. And once you're done editing, all you have to do is export your video with the template. For that, tap on the export button at the top right corner. Then you'll be asked to choose all of your resolution. Then choose your desired resolution, and after the video is completely exported, you will find your video saved in your device. So that's the way to use CapCut templates in your mobile device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.